2020 has been an extremely difficult year for most of us, as we witnessed moments of uncertainty and a halt in setting future goals. But now, with vaccine rollout, we can say that we are on the right track to get rid of the coronavirus pandemic sooner than later. However, with the return of bird flu in states like Gujarat, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Rajasthan and Kerala, situations have turned a bit grim, especially for poultry industry. In this business standard video, we'll try to explain what bird flu can do to you and the industry in the simplest way possible. First, what exactly is bird flu? Well, the avian influenza, commonly known as the bird flu, is an infectious viral disease in birds, especially in wild waterfowl such as ducks and geese. And the infection is caused by highly pathogenic avian influenza virus H5N1 and its variants. Now, before you freak out, unlike COVID-19, which struck as a completely unknown scourge, bird flu has been erupting in different parts of the country since its first epidemic in 2006. The virus was first isolated in 1996 in a Chinese goose and then in humans in 1997 during a poultry outbreak in Hong Kong. Yes, humans. The virus can be transmitted to humans. However, the transmission risk to general public is quite low. In fact, in India, there has been no such cases of human transmission so far. It happens, but mostly in East Asian countries because of their local eating habits and inadequate precautions, among other things. Also, the virus does not get transmitted through consuming well-cooked poultry products. Yes, this contention has been endorsed by the United Nations bodies such as World Health Organization and Food and Agriculture Organization. So, if you're being skeptical about buying poultry products for yourself or for your pets, this is for you. The virus gets inactivated during cooking at 70 degrees Celsius or at higher temperature, which means if you're not consuming half-cooked chicken, half-fried or half-boiled egg, you are safe. There is thus no case to shut down a hygienically run chicken market or retail outlets. A distinct feature of the current episode of bird flu is that it is confined largely, if not entirely, to wild birds. This is reflected in the large number of deaths of crows, ducks and other birds around lakes, wildlife parks and other spots which are routinely visited by local and migratory birds. The wildlife diversity and non-domesticated birds are therefore at a greater risk than domesticated fowls and chicken farms. To know more, read Business Standard's editorial comment on the recent outbreak. You can find the link in the description below. There is no doubt about the fact that poultry farmers are having a real tough time in battling with the bird flu, especially at the time when they are reeling from the damages caused by the coronavirus pandemic. All we can say is that the bird flu does not get transmitted if you're consuming a well-cooked poultry product. Besides, it's for the government to decide if we need another vaccine or a vaccination drive to save our animals from this infection. So don't chicken out. If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.